To start prepping your notebook, begin by removing the sticker. If you have any sticky residue, you can use Goo Gone to get it off. Next, dampen a paper towel with some water and wipe the cover of your notebook. Now it's time to create your design. Now it's time to measure your notebooks so that you can size your design. Since there are holes on the side, we will be working in only this area. We can make our design 7 by 10 inches. Now it's time to add your material to your mat. Once you have your material out, it's time to cut a rectangle out of your material. Take your light grip mat and put your vinyl on it. Now that you have your material on your mat, it's time to start cutting on your Cricut. Your vinyl from your mat. Once you've removed your vinyl from your mat, it is time to begin weighting. Now that you have your design weighted, take your transfer tape and put it onto your notebook. And now your notebook is customized. Now it's time to customize this pencil case. Prepping your pencil case, we are going to remove the sticker. Next, take some Goo Gone and put it on the top of your pencil case. Now it is time to create the design for our pencil case. Now that you've created your design, it is time to measure your pencil case. I can make my design as big as 7 inches. Time to cut out your design. Take your transfer tape and put this onto your pencil case. And now your pencil case and your notebook are done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!